Hey guys, so today's tutorial is on Moshow. It's a great and fun video editor. I'm going to pick some photos that I took with my kids and my nephew, make it like a Christmas video to show you. You can also import videos into this app, but it will slow down the app. It will look kind of glitchy. I'm just going to show you because once I add a certain amount, it gets really glitchy. But I'm also going to show you just using smaller files will make it look way better and much more smoother. So as you see the screen, it's just kind of like jumping. It's not really flowing the way I would like it to flow. Also, these videos come with songs in the background. You can't hear it right now because when I record my screen, it doesn't record sound. This one had like a Christmas jingle, and I wanted to change the jingle that it had to it. Plus the fact that it was glitchy, I'm just gonna decide to just start from scratch because it's just too glitchy for me. And this is why you don't want to pick too many large files because it will slow this app down. Let's see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave here and then I'm gonna restart. I'm going to pick less pictures and let's see. Remember, I want to keep it Christmassy. So I'm picking this one, this one, this one. Okay. So now you see how it's smooth and it just glides. I love that. And there's so many different ways and styles that it can present your pictures, and it looks amazing. Each of these have a song to it, but you can always change the music as well. Since I'm doing a holiday theme, I want to stick with the Christmas one for now. I see there's a few Christmas themes. I think I'm just gonna try it. And I'm also gonna show you that you can crop and move the photos around so that they showcase a little better into the app. For this one, it's kind of odd. It's cutting my son's face out because it has its own added Christmas stuff onto the screen. You see the holly? So it's cutting his face. I don't know if I want that one. I'm also looking at the other photos to see if I want to adjust any of the other photos. I think I'm just going to change the theme altogether. Well, first I want to see if there's other song options. I'm going to pick Deck the Halls. Yeah, I like Deck the Halls way better. So I am going to stick with the Deck the Halls version. And look, I'm going to check the photos one more time, see if I want to make any extra adjustments. I think I want to make adjustments on that Christmas tree photo. So I'm going to zoom in on them. And then when they pop up on the screen, you can see them a little more clearly. And now I don't know if I like that holly. It's cutting out my nephew's face and my face. So I think I'm going to just pick another theme. Also, I think I'm going to pick another photo. Let's see. Nothing else is that Christmassy. We went to the movies yesterday. We had such a blast. Let's try this one. Let's try this me looking like a big elf. Here we go. Let's see how it looks with this photo. I might want to add it. I might want to take it out. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, look at me and my son. We're smiling in that photo. It's pretty Christmassy, so why not? But I'm not crazy about the holly, so I'm gonna just pick something else. There's so many different themes you can pick for these photos. They have glitch. They have so many different artistic ones that you can use for all different types of categories. I'm going to try this countdown one to see how it looks, like countdown to Christmas. Let me pick it. Let's see. Hey, on the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. On the 3rd day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. And okay, so you could pick different songs as well. They have so many cool different beats that you can add to the theme of your photo. Things that are friendly, jolly, slow, loving, fast. I mean, all types of musical themes that you are free to use, which that's one of the things I absolutely love about this app, that they have music. And right now, I'm gonna pick Deck the Halls. Right now, music and videos on all social platforms are where it's at. So if you're doing attraction marketing, or you just want to have fun and showcase your family photos in a fun way, or an event in a fun way, this is a great app for that. I do like the Deck the Halls and the countdown, but I'm gonna see if there is another theme that I can try. And this is what I do. I really try to hone in on what I like, and that's what you should do. You know, if you're doing it, just don't pick things just to pick it. You want to make sure that you're picking something that you actually like. I really love this one, so I am gonna stick with this one. I love the snowflakes, but I'm gonna put the Deck the Halls music with these snowflakes because it looks so cool. And I'm happy with my video so far. I think I'm gonna stick with this. This is the one. I'm just gonna make sure I check everything so that it's thorough. Nobody's getting chopped out. Nobody's face is covered. I'm gonna restore. I had this purchased already since last year, so I'm gonna restore it. If you do not purchase it, you can still save it. It will have the Moshow logo on the lower bottom right hand corner. So you want to make sure that if you're okay with not paying, you have to be okay with that logo being there. You could post to Instagram, Facebook, Messenger. I'm gonna save it into my own video files so that I can upload it separately. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you the video now. I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.